Wall Street's quietly placing billion-dollar bets on 7 breakout stocks, and almost no one's talking about it. And stock number 7? It's one of the highest-rated names on the market, yet barely anyone is talking about it. Let's break it down before it explodes. Stock number 1. Netflix, ticker NFLX. Netflix is on fire. The stock's riding an 11-day winning streak, the longest in company history, and it's up 20% over that stretch. That kind of momentum doesn't go unnoticed. In the first quarter, Netflix beat both revenue and earnings expectations, with EPS jumping 25% and sales climbing 12.5%. Analysts love it. More than 70% have a buy or overweight rating. And with 2025 earnings projected to rise another 25%, the growth story is still very much alive. Now here's what's great about Netflix. It's got massive global reach, strong pricing power, and one of the most loyal subscriber bases in the industry. Their recent crackdown on password sharing and content strategy has been paying off big time. The stock also boasts near-perfect ratings across the board. But let's be real. After such a big run, the valuation's looking a bit stretched. It's also in a hyper-competitive space with Amazon, Apple, and Disney, all gunning for more market share. So while the fundamentals are strong, keep an eye on volatility if you're buying in now. But before we move on, here's a quick question for you. If the market dropped 10% tomorrow, would you buy the dip or dip out completely? Comment your move below. Let's see who's really built for this. Stock number 2, GE Aerospace, ticker GE. GE Aerospace is flying high again, literally. After shaking off some early April weakness tied to tariff concerns, the stock rebounded strongly and is now trading back above its 50-day moving average. It's also up nearly 25% on the year. What's fueling the rally? A blowout earnings report for starters. First quarter of EPS soared 60%, and GE reaffirmed its full-year guidance. Analysts are on board too, with 86% rating it a buy. They're projecting 20% earnings growth in 2025, driven by strong demand in both commercial aviation and defense. The company's aerospace division is lean, focused, and profitable. It's a clean story now, unlike the GE of the past that was tangled in too many businesses. That said, GE still carries some baggage in the eyes of long-term investors. And of course, any renewed trade tensions could put pressure on costs. But overall, this is a stock that's proving it deserves to be taken seriously again. Stock number 3, DoorDash, ticker Dash. DoorDash is turning heads on Wall Street, and for once, it's not about losses. The company has finally flipped to profitability, and investors are paying attention. The stock just broke out of a double-bottom base, bouncing off its 200-day moving average with strong volume. For 2025, analysts expect a 15% jump in earnings, alongside a 21% increase in sales. That's solid growth. About 72% of analysts rated a buy, and it now holds one of the highest composite ratings in the internet retail space. The bull case? DoorDash isn't just about takeout anymore. They're expanding into groceries, convenience, and even international markets. Their logistical platform is scalable, and they're finally turning a profit, which is something we couldn't say about them not too long ago. On the flip side, this is still a company that's highly sensitive to consumer spending. A slowdown in discretionary income could hit them hard. And while profitability is a good sign, margins are still razor-thin in the delivery game. It's a risk, but the potential is there. Stock number 4, Eli Lilly, ticker LLY. Eli Lilly is a name you've probably heard a lot lately, and for good reason. They're leading the charge in the weight loss drug boom with products that are generating explosive demand. After a monster 106% profit jump in 2024, analysts still expect EPS to grow another 69% in 2025. Lilly has crushed earnings estimates, and its average EPS growth over the past 3 quarters? A ridiculous 408%. About 86% of analysts are bullish, and they're not just betting on weight loss drugs. Lilly has a deep pipeline across diabetes, Alzheimer's, and autoimmune diseases. Now, here's what's exciting. This isn't just a short-term hype stock. It's backed by years of R&D and clinical trials, and they're executing well across multiple verticals. But let's be clear, this stock can get whiplash. Headlines about competitors, pricing pressures, or government intervention can move it fast. If you're in, expect volatility, but also major upside. Stock number 5, Boston Scientific, ticker BSX. Boston Scientific may not be flashy, but it's a quiet leader in the medical device world, and it's starting to get attention. The stock recently broke out above 104.35, and analysts expect 33% EPS growth this year. What's cool about BSX is that they're in a sweet spot, offering minimally invasive treatments for heart disease, urology issues, and chronic pain. These aren't optional procedures. These are life-saving innovations. About 85% of analysts rate the stock a buy, and it's technically looks strong. Here's the deal, though. The recent breakout happened on relatively low volume, so some investors are watching to see if momentum holds. And while the product line is diverse, regulatory risk is always a factor in healthcare. Still, it's hard to argue against a company that keeps delivering in one of the most resilient industries out there. Stock number 6. Intuitive Surgical, ticker ISRG. Intuitive Surgical, maker of the Da Vinci robotic surgery system, is a leader in health tech with strong double-digit earnings growth in recent quarters. While EPS growth may slow to 6% this year, the company's dominance, top-tier ratings, and recurring revenue from surgical tools and services make it a standout. Some analysts remain cautious due to macro risks and a stock still building its base. But long-term, this is one of the clearest growth stories in medical tech. Stock number 7. Axon Enterprise, ticker AXON. This company makes tasers, body cams, and digital systems used by law enforcement. And while it may not be a household name, analysts love it. 83% rated a buy. After massive earnings growth of 89% and 44% in the past 2 years, EPS is expected to slow to 2% in 2025. But here's the thing. Axon is becoming a platform company. Their evidence management software and cloud solutions are building long-term, recurring revenue streams with government contracts. The bull case? High ratings, strong fundamentals, and unmatched market share. The bear case? Slowing growth and the cyclical nature of government spending. But if you're thinking long-term, this might be the most underrated growth stock in its sector. So, looking at this lineup, what stands out isn't just the diversity in sectors, ranging from streaming and aerospace to biotech and robotics, but the sheer range in fundamentals. You've got giants like Eli Lilly, with sky-high gross margins and consistent earnings power, while companies like DoorDash are still in high-growth, low-profit territory. Netflix's premium stock price reflects its dominance and profitability, but look at names like Intuitive Surgical and Axon, smaller caps with solid margins and earnings that could quietly compound over time. Whether you're chasing innovation, stability, or value, this table is a snapshot of how different growth stories play out across industries. And here's something to think about before you go. If you could only hold one stock for the next 10 years, what would it be, and why? Drop your pick in the comments. And if you want to stop chasing Nvidia, check out these 3 AI stocks that have even more growth potential. Click on this video here.